Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? Imagine for a moment that the answer is no, and that somewhere out in the vast cosmos, there are other beings who've mastered technologies beyond our wildest dreams. It's like opening a door to a world where the impossible becomes possible, where the ordinary laws of physics are mere suggestions, and where our daily struggles to understand the universe are effortlessly solved by advanced minds. When I was a child, my curiosity about the stars often kept me up at night. I'd gaze through my bedroom window, seeing the sky as a giant canvas full of mysteries. One evening, my dad brought home a telescope, and that was my gateway to a universe teeming with wonder. Looking at the craters on the moon and the rings of Saturn, I felt an invisible thread connecting me to something much larger. What if, on one of those distant planets I saw through my telescope, there were civilizations watching us too? Now let's shift from these childhood dreams to the very real possibility of alien technology. Picture a device that fits in the palm of your hand, glowing with an ethereal light, and capable of storing more information than all the libraries on Earth combined. Imagine a machine that repairs itself, using materials from the environment as if it were alive. Or think about energy sources so efficient and clean that pollution becomes a relic of the past. These ideas might sound like science fiction, but consider this. Many of the technology we use today started as wild imaginings. Smartphones, GPS, and even the internet were once the stuff of dreams. The magic of human imagination is that it turns dreams into reality. Now, imagine if we had a little help from our cosmic neighbors. Take travel, for example. The fastest passenger aircraft we have can whisk you across the globe in a matter of hours. But what if you could travel to another planet in the same time it takes you to commute to work? Alien technology might involve propulsion systems that bend space-time itself, creating shortcuts through the universe. It's like folding a piece of paper to bring two distant points together, then piercing through, an idea that's been a staple of science fiction, but could be grounded in real physics. My fascination with these concepts deepened during a road trip I took through the desert. The vast open landscape reminded me of the endless possibilities in space. Stopping at a roadside diner, the smell of fresh coffee and sizzling bacon filled the air, grounding me amidst these grand thoughts. A local shared stories of strange lights he'd seen in the sky, perhaps just a trick of the atmosphere, or maybe something more. It was a reminder that the unknown is never far from our daily lives. Alien technology could also revolutionize communication. Imagine sending a thought across the stars, instantaneously reaching another world. Telepathy, once considered purely fantastical, might be facilitated by advanced technology that reads and transmits neural signals. Think of it as sending a text message with your mind, connecting hearts and ideas across galaxies. This brings us to a profound reflection. What would we say to an alien civilization? What stories would we tell? What questions would we ask? Perhaps, in understanding them, we might better understand ourselves and our place in the universe. Every culture on Earth has looked up and wondered, and maybe, just maybe, the answers lie in collaborating with those who look back at us from the skies. I remember a quiet evening walk by the beach, the soft waves kissing the shore, reminding me of the gentle rhythm of the cosmos. The salty air and the sound of rolling water made me think of life's ebb and flow. Standing there, I realized that technology, alien or not, is only one part of a much larger story. It's a story about connection between people, planets, and perhaps other beings. Reflecting on these ideas leaves us with a sense of wonder and possibility. Whether or not we ever encounter alien technology, the pursuit of knowledge and the dream of what might be continues to inspire us. It's a journey that pushes us to explore, to learn, and to dream. As we look up at the stars, let's keep our minds open to the wonders that lie beyond and the incredible potential within us to make the impossible possible.